Slime collection part 3. This is going to be my final collection. I don't know if it's going to be my final collection, but I'm going to fit all these slimes in it. So, my question of the day is: have you seen my part 1 and my part 2? Let me know in the comments. So, I love you guys. Let's get started. Okay, so the first one, this one is like blush pink. It doesn't look, it looks like throw up color, but it's like a very fluffy slime. It's real good. I really like it. I mixed purple and red together, like more purple. I mixed a little bit of pink in there and some orange. A little bit of orange. Mostly purple. And then the red, and then I was like, I don't like this color. I was going for like a maroon color, but I didn't have enough red food coloring to put red in. And I was like, you know what? Add pink. Pink makes everything better, so I just put pink in. And this, I really like this color. It's really pretty. On camera, it looks like garbage, like a not a pretty color, but yes. Okay, so the next slime, this one's, I don't know if this one, I'm just gonna open it. This one is sticky already. Yeah, this one's one of my sticky slimes. Okay, this one I made with hand sanitizer instead of glue, so that's why it's so weird. Which I never thought would ever make it. Okay, this one's like really bad, but like it's like falls apart. Like you can't even stretch it. It just like goes away. It's just like not like, you see what I mean? I can't even keep it together. But anyways, um, this one's like bad. Like I don't like this one. Not gonna lie, don't like it. And I just hand sanitizer instead of glue, which I never ever thought that I could ever make it like that. But okay, this is a slime I did not make. One of the only slimes that I didn't make out of all of these. This one smells like cotton candy, and this one you can. This is cotton candy slime. Oh my god. Okay, I got some slime on my bed, but I got it off. Okay, so this one's really stretchy. Well, it's not like super stretchy, but it's pokeable, very pokeable, and it smells very nice. Very nice. Okay, so this one's like bad slime. I don't want to play with this one, but it's just this pretty color, turquoise kind of color. Okay, so this one's so sticky. I don't know how I got this to be so sticky. It's like so good slime. Okay, it has a little bit of hand sanitizer in it, but I use glue with it. It's so sticky. It smells like berries, but it's so sticky. I'm not even gonna play with this one. I don't even want to get this one even near my bed because this is gonna be so sticky. It's so sticky. Okay, so then this one's just like, this one's like bad slime. I'm not gonna lie. This one's orange. And it's really. It has sparkles in it, but don't even care. It's orange. And I had more of this, but I added it into one of my slime smoothies. I honestly don't even know. This one's like, it's pretty stretchy. It's like not bad, but so I can hear my mom. She's on a conference call. Okay, so this one I made in spite of the Eagles Super Bowl win. And my question of the video is, I know I already made one. I'm gonna make a second one. My question of the second question of the video is: were you rooting for the Eagles or the Patriots? I was rooting for the Eagles. You guys know that I wore my jersey on game day. But anyways, it's just the slime. It has a little bit of foam beads in it, but that's just because I had some leftover foam beads, so I just added it in there. This one, not gonna touch. It's like a light bubble gum pink. I'm not gonna touch this one. It's super sticky. It's emitting its Tide fumes. Time leaks like Tide. Okay, this one I made with my cousin. This one has foam beads in it. It's a little bit wet from that one that was leaking. It's just this one. It has sparkles in it too. It has foam beads. Okay, so this one is fluffy slime, and then this one's also fluffy slime. And this one can explode it, but I have to speed this up because I have a lot of slimes to go. So it's gonna get the screen just went pink. Oh, there we go. We're back. Pink slime. That's fluffy slime. Ooh, this one's really good. Ooh, wait, what? Oh, this one is fluffy slime. It's so good. It's so stretchy. And this one, I put straws in, which I've never ever seen somebody do. But I'm sure I'm like the thousandth, millionth person to do it. But I just felt that I needed to put slime straws in my beads. I had straws in the basement. Just decided to put it in there. So then this one is scented bubblegum. It's very pokeable, not so stretchy. It used to be stretchy, but it's just old. It died of old age. It's very pokeable. Doesn't make a sound when you poke it, but oh, there we go. That makes a sound, but it's not stretchy at all. Okay, so then there's also this one. This light green one. This one I made before the Super Bowl. I was trying to make it Eagles green, but I couldn't. Ooh, it's like peppermint. I think I put hand sanitizer in this one just to give it some scent. I've been putting hand sanitizer in my slime a lot. Not exactly to try to activate it, exactly just to make it a scent. For this one, I haven't done it really like super recently. Okay, this one a friend made for me. It's really good. I don't know what's in it that makes it so good. So I'm farting. It's like not cloud slime, but it has like, I think it has like kinetic sand in it. Right? It makes a gross sound. But super stretchy and nice. Yeah, and there's like kinetic sand in it. It's almost like cloud slime. But slime farts. It's the slime, for the record. It's not me. I wouldn't fart. If I farted in the video, I would take it down. Or I would not post it because I just don't want somebody to fart. I don't want anybody to know that I fart. Everybody farts. Why am I talking about this? Everybody farts sometimes, you know. Oh my god. Oh my god, so gross. Okay, this one's like so good. Like this one's like so stretch. This one's like really nice and stretchy. So stretch. So stretch. So nice. So nice, so nice, so nice. For the price. So nice for the price, you know, but I just get them nice for the price. Nice for the price. Nice for the price. Nice for the price. And nice for the price. Nice for the price. Ooh, so then I have this white one. Fluffy slime. This one's so good. This one's like, I think it's fishbowl slime. I'm not really sure. Actually, it's definitely not fishbowl slime. I don't know what it is. I really follow the slime trends. I just like feeling it and making it. But it has these beads in it. And I'll show them all to you. I made this at my friend's house like a while ago, and it's still super stretchy and nice. There's these beads in it. Then I have this pink fluffy slime. I have this one that my friend made that smells so bad. No offense, friends. If you're watching this, my ex-best friend, it's just a little joke that we have. And I recently got rid of it because it had hair in it. Don't like hair in my slime. I got it in there. I know I did, but I just took it out. So then this one, okay, this one's like really bad slime, but like whenever I'm playing with my slime, I always go in this one. And I always just like go in and just like, poke it, just once, and then I poke it the next day. And it's actually originally two different colors, but then I started poking it so much that it just got put in place. Okay, so this one's so stretchy. It's bubblegum scented. So it's just like gold. It's like not fluffy slime, I don't think. But okay, so last one is just this one. Okay, so we made it. We made it. This whole bag full of slime in 3 parts. Yeah. That's this video. I hope you guys liked it. I loved filming these videos. Bye guys.